In today's video, I'm going to share how you can earn over $100 for a simple idea. So what we'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll show you the website, I'll show you how everything works. Now this is available worldwide, it's absolutely free to join and you do not need any skills or experience to get started with this. Now I think this is probably going to be one of the best videos I've done on YouTube because the platform I'm going to share with you, it's very under the radar, not many people know about this, so you can go ahead and you'll know exactly what you need to do and how you can get started with this method to making some extra money. Now this website, they started out in 2012 and originally it was only available for college kids. Then what's happened is in the last 7 years they've gone ahead and they've expanded this, they've opened it up worldwide and you do not even need to go to a college or a university to get started with this. So it's all absolutely free as well. It's really awesome. Now you're going to want to stay till the end of the video because what I'll do is I'll show you how you can go ahead and make more money with this website. I'll show you earnings of people using this site, and then finally I'll go ahead and show you, once you've earned that money, how you can go and withdraw from this site. But it's really cool, so let's jump into this and I'll walk you through everything you need to do and how to get started with this method to earn $100 per idea. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today. Oh, nearly fell off my chair. Welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share this really awesome website with you that you can start using to make some extra money online and from home without any skills or any experience. So let's jump over here into the website now. So this is not the website, it's my YouTube channel. This is the website. So this website is called MindSumo. So how this works is companies come on here and they post what are known as challenges. Then solvers, i.e. you and me, go ahead and submit ideas to try and solve these ideas. The company then goes ahead and rates these ideas, and then 50% of the money is shared between everybody who goes ahead and applies for this. So I've gone ahead and I've created an account with this, and like I say, it's really simple. It's absolutely free to get started with this. You can go ahead and connect via, join via Facebook, Twitter, and also email. So on here, you have a mix of different companies. So you can see on here, this is this company over in Canada. You've also got companies who do not reveal the name of their company or what they're doing. So you can see you've got Adidas on here, you've got Monte Foods, you've got big companies, small companies, and then you've also got anonymous companies. So if I scroll down here, what you can see is these are all of the challenges which are currently submitted. So these are the new ones. So these are all available on the platform now. But before I show you these, I want to show you some previous ones so you can see exactly how much people have earned from these, and basically some of the different types of challenges that get posted on here, because there really is something for everybody on here. So if I'm going to come down here, so where it says reviewing, these are different challenges which have been posted and people have gone ahead and submitted their idea, and the companies are going through and reviewing their ideas. But if I come down here, let me show you some ones that have been completed. So I'm going to click on a couple of these. So we've got, what's your clever idea for reducing food waste? How can WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram improve education in India? Then we've also got this one here about mortgage processing. So let's click on these and we'll go and have a look at them. So this is the first one. So this is the how can WhatsApp and Facebook improve education in India? So when you go into this, in fact, let me scroll to the bottom, I'll show you. So you can see here, this is how much people earn for this challenge on here. So you can go through and have a look at all of these people on here. It shows you how much every one of them earned for this, but you can see you get the top 10% share $1,000, the next 15% share $400, and then the next 25% share $200. So if you scroll back up to the top, this is basically how this all looks. So it tells you about the challenge. So it gives you the notes up here about what the challenge is and what the company are going ahead and trying to do. Now if you scroll down the page here, you've got deliverables. Now on here you can see you've got two different questions. So you can go ahead and answer this one on literacy, or you can go ahead and do this one on education. So it's up to you. You would pick either this one here or this one here. So let's go with this one here, literacy. So describe a problem with this literacy here. You then go on to who is the target user that you're trying to address, what kind of technologies will you use, and then how would the users interact or experience with this, and then you've got potential barriers here. So you could go with this one here or this one here, and then you've also got notes on here, so it tells you, you know, once you've submitted a submission, what it will be graded on. So it gives you the criteria here on what it will be graded on. And then all of these people here, they've submitted their ideas and they've all earned money for doing so. The next one we had a look at, let's go and look at this one here. What's this one here? What's your clever idea for reducing food waste? So again, this one here, the company not revealing themselves, so it tells you a little bit of information about this challenge and what you'll need to do. If you come down here, you've got 3 questions on here. You go through the questions, you submit your ideas, and then basically you can go ahead and earn money. So in this example here, you've got the top 10% all sharing $1,000. So all these people here have earned money. Now, it very quickly, if you see where it says view certificate, if you click on there, it just opens this up and it shows you a certificate saying that this person to earn some money on the platform. So let me come out of there. So this one here is what's your clever idea for reducing food waste. Again, really simple stuff. You just go ahead, fill in a couple of answers, submit your idea, and then you can go and earn money. The other one we looked at was this one here. So how would you completely digitize the mortgage process? And look, you can see on here, this one here, only 69 people went ahead and submitted an idea for this one. If you look at this one here, 300 people for this one, and the one over, I mean, this one in India, only 188 people submitted submissions to this. So this website we're looking at, it's very under the radar. It's a great way that you can go ahead and start earning some extra money. It really is. So again, you've got the question or the challenge. They give you some information about this. You scroll down, it tells you the deliverables. You go through this. And then again, you can see these are all the people who went for this question here. So, I mean, only 69 people entered this one. So they're earning $142 each on this one. And then as you go down further down the page, they're earning $36.40. So let's go back to the home page. So all of these ones that we've looked at, these are past ones. So these have already happened. So you wouldn't be able to go ahead and apply for them. But if we come to the home page, so scroll to the top and literally, once you're on the home page, all you need to do is just scroll down. So you can see all of the active campaigns. So let's have a look at this one here. Can your idea help get young people excited to reach fitness goals? And this is working with the brand Adidas. So I'm going to click on there and it will open up and it'll tell you everything you need to know. So as you can see here, this is how much money is available. This is how many people have submitted their ideas. And there's currently only 10 days left with this. So it tells you a little bit of information about what they're looking for. If you scroll down here, you've got the deliverables. So again, what you need to do, so you'd go through this, you would submit your idea. You've also got a bonus on here. Now if you scroll down here, this is basically how you would go ahead and submit your idea on here. So you'd fill in what is your age, you put in your age, gender, and then you type in your idea on here. So you type in your idea, and if you've got images, you can include images. If there's videos on YouTube, you can go ahead and link them on here. So you fill in all this information, you choose any files. If you've got anything on your desktop, like a picture that you've saved on your desktop, once you've done all that, you simply click on submit, and then you can see below, it will show you how much you can expect to earn. But then what you want to do is if you scroll further down the page, you will see people who are discussing this challenge here. So if you come down here, people ask questions on here, so you can go through and have a look at all the different questions and answers what have been put up on here so far with regards to this challenge here. So that one there was the Adidas one. Now let me go ahead and show you the frequently asked questions page. So this is the FAQ, obviously. So if you come down here, let's just go through this. So who can sign up for MindSumo? So anybody can create an account with MindSumo as long as you've got a valid email. Now it says here, if you're a student, please use your school email. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, when MindSumo first started in 2012, they were geared around college kids and trying to get college kids into these different challenges and working with companies and trying to earn some extra money. But obviously they didn't get the uptake that they was expecting, so they've opened this up worldwide. Now don't worry if you don't go to college or you know you're not at college now, because if you scroll down here, I'm just going to show you this one here. You can see this one here, NA, not applicable. So this is a person, a user on the platform, but it's not applicable. Now you've got other people on here who simply go ahead and type in the university that they're at. But then you can see here, this person, they've not got the university on here. And then I did see, when I was looking at this earlier, again, look, another one with no university. Somebody actually just simply submitted that they were at the Open University, which is like an online online training platform basically. So you do not need to worry about having a school or college or a university or anything like that to get started with this. All you need is an email to get started with this. So all you need is a valid email, and you can go ahead and sign up to this. And then I'm not going to go through everything on here, but can international students join? Yes. MindSumma is open to everybody. I am not a student. Can I still use MindSumma? Yes. If I scroll down the page here further, I'm just going to go ahead and show you about earnings and how you withdraw your money, because it took me a while to figure this out. So come down here and I'll show you where it says about your earnings, because this is the bit we're all interested in. Solution. Here we go. So in order to go ahead and withdraw from your money, you need to go into the back office. So once you're logged into your account, you would sign in, and then simply you would go into this part here where it says your earnings. So you'd go into your earnings page, and then you click on cash out now. Once you click on cash out now, you'll then be prompted to basically connect your PayPal account. Once you've connected your PayPal account, the submission will then be manually approved by MindSumma, and this normally takes 3 to 5 business days. So you need to make sure you do this, because if you don't go ahead and connect your PayPal account and then go ahead and request the withdrawal, you will not get paid. And that, when I was trying to find this earlier, I couldn't make head and tail of it, but this is how you do it. So you need to make sure that you go ahead and do everything it tells you on here so that you can earn your PayPal money for doing so. Now, if I go over here, I just want to show you this one last thing. This is an article over on surveysay.com, and this is all, as you can see up here, this is about MindSumma, and they go through, is it legitimate? You can see it's a safe, legitimate website. It's been around for a number of years, as you can see. Originally, it was aimed at college kids. And look, I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and check all of this article out. And the bit I wanted to show you was the fastest way to start earning money on MindSumma. So if you come over to this article, go through and have a read of this. It talks about, verify your sign up by checking your email, connect your account to a LinkedIn profile, and you can earn cash for doing so. There's a couple of other hints and tips on here where it will show you basically how you can start earning more over on this MindSumma. But that is pretty much today's video. This is the website. I think it's absolutely awesome. As you can see, it's pretty under the radar, and I mean, the fact that people are earning money, and there's only like this one here, 300 people applying for it, 188 with this one over here. As you can see, there's lots of opportunities for absolutely anybody to start earning money with this website here called mindsumma.com. So I hope you found that useful. If you liked the video, please go ahead and give the video a like for me. Leave your comments below. But thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.